dear pupils, I'm so happy to see you today. I'm Teacher Marian, your Grade 4 Math Dali buddy. Wear your beautiful smile and remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. You have learned how to read and write numbers, as well as rounding, comparing, and arranging numbers. Now, get ready to explore more. In today's episode, we will learn about multiplying numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Hop in! Let the adventure begin. Get ready with your pen and paper because it's drill time. In 5 seconds, I want you to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Ready? Aba, syempre po! Number 1, 12,345, 12,435, 11,549. If you answered 11,549, 12,345, and 12,435, great! You are correct! Number 2, 23,879, 3,456, 23,800, the correct arrangement is 3,456, 23,800, 23,879. Number 3, 43,612, 43,300, 54,102. The answer is 43,300, 43,612, 54,102. Number 4, 106, 32,456, 50,000. The correct arrangement is 50,000, 32,456, 106. Last number, 2,109, 12,041, 5,016. The answer is 12,041, 5,016, 2,109. Math galing! I am happy that together with Ana and Tonyo, you were able to understand our previous lesson. Oh, Ana and Tonyo, why are you running?
Teacher Marian, we need your help and our mathly bodies to make our art plate number 4.
Yes, teacher, but our crayons lost its true colors. We cannot design our art plate.
Teacher, we cannot do it. We do not know how to multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers.
Relax, Ana and Tonyo. I am sure that our Math Dali buddies will help us in our Math Dali venture for today. Let us refresh our memory in multiplying numbers by determining which fruit is the product of each tree. Number 1. 41 times 2 is equal to 82, 28, If your answer is 82, you are correct. Number 2. 23 times 3. 69, 70. The correct answer is 69. Number 3. 17 times 2 is equal to 34, 43. If your answer is 34, you are correct. Number 4. 13 times 5 is equal to 65, 45. The correct answer is 65. And number 5, 32 times 3 is equal to 99, 96. If your answer is 96, matherific! Tonyo and Ana, I have good news. Mrs. Cruz of Math Amazing Publishing House donated 32 boxes of storybooks. Each box contains 312 books. How many books were donated in all? Math-isip! Let us analyze the situation. What is asked in the problem? The total number of books donated by Mrs. Cruz of Math Amazing Publishing House. What operation are we going to use? Yes, multiplication. How will you solve the problem? We need to multiply the number of boxes to the number of books in each box. The number sentence is 312 times 32 is equal to 'Let us have our 3 magic steps to answer the problem. Magic step number 1. Let us review the place value chart. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In 312, what is the place value of 2? Yes, it is ones. How about 1? Tens. And 3? Hundreds. Next, let us have 32. 2 is in ones place. And 3 is in tens place. Multiply 312 by the ones digit in the multiplier. Multiply 2 ones by 2 ones and it is equal to 4. 2 ones times 1 tens is 20. We will write 2 in the tens place and add 0 to 4. And lastly, 2 ones times 3 hundreds, the answer is 600. We will write 6 under the hundreds place. 2 multiplied by 312 is 624. Magic step number 2. Multiply 312 by the tens digit in the multiplier. Multiply 3 tens by 2 ones and it is equal to 60. And because 3 is in tens place, we will write 6 to the tens place, then write 0 on the ones place. 3 tens times 1 tens is 300. We will write 3 in the hundreds place, then add 0 to 6, then 0 plus 0 is 0. Lastly, 3 tenths times 3 hundredths is 9,000. We will write 9 under the thousands place and add the zeros to ones to hundreds place. 32 multiplied by 312 is 9,360. Magic step number 3. Add the partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 tenths plus 6 tenths is 80. We will write 8 under the tens place and add 0 to ones place. Next, 6 hundredths plus 3 hundredths is 900. We will write 9 under the hundreds place and add the zeros to ones and tens place. Lastly, bring down 9,000. So the answer is 9,984. So there are 9,984 storybooks that were donated by Mrs. Cruz of Math Amazing Publishing House. This will greatly help the pupils read more books and love reading. Matherific! This is multiplying numbers without regrouping. Mathly buddies, let us try multiplying numbers that needs regrouping. Let us have another Mathly example. Aside from the storybooks that were donated to us, Mrs. Cruz also gave us 35 reams of colored paper. Each ream has 945 sheets of colored papers. How many colored papers are there in all? So we need to multiply 945 sheets to 35 reams of colored papers. Let us have our 3 magic steps to answer the problem. Magic step number 1. Let us get the partial product by multiplying 945 by the ones digit in the multiplier. 5 times 5 is 25. Write down 5, carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. Write down 2, carry 2. Next, 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Write down 47. Magic step number 2. Multiply 945 by the tens digit in the multiplier. 3 times 5 is 15. Write down 5, carry 1. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Write down 3, carry 1. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. Write down 28. Magic step number 3. Add the partial products. Bring down 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 8 is 13. Write down 3, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. The answer is 33,075. So Mrs. Cruz donated 33,075 sheets of colored papers. This will truly help us in giving Anna, Tonyo, and their schoolmates colored papers for their art plates and other projects. Matherific! Now that you know how to multiply numbers with and without regrouping, Mathly, Mathly, Mathly! Activity time! Pens up, papers up, let me see your happy face. Pens up, papers up, let me see that amazing face. Multiply the following numbers. I will give you 10 seconds to answer the following. Number 1. 422 times 12 is equal to A. 5,064, B. 3,204, C. 1,064. Number 2. 345 times 42 is equal to A. 32,098, B. 14,490, C. 1,456. Number 3. 123 times 33 is equal to A. 4,050, B. 4,879, C. 4,059. Number 4. 624 times 24 is equal to A. 14,976, B. 12,900, C. 10,432. And number 5, 746 times 15 is equal to A. 11,000, B. 11,190, C. 10,190. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Letter A, 5,064. Number 2. Letter B, 14,490. Number 3. Letter C, 4,059. Number 4. Letter A, 14,976. And number 5, letter B, 11,190. Math amazing! It's your time to shine! Let us now help Ana and Tonyo bring back the true colors of the crayons. Pens up, papers up, let me see your happy face. Pens up, papers up, let me see that amazing face. I will give you 20 seconds to multiply the following numbers. Ready? Aba, syempre po! Number 1, 241 times 12 is equal to Number 2, 121 times 31 is equal to Number 3, 542 times 17 is equal to Number 4, 572 times 13 is equal to... And number 5, 648 times 45 is equal to... Let us check your answers. Number 1, 2,892. Number 2, 3,751. Number 3, 9,214. Number 4, 7,436. And number 5, 29,160. Math-terrific! Look at the crayons! Go, Anna and Tonyo! Make your art plate colorful! Wow! I love math! Thank you, Anna, Tonyo, and Mathly buddies! Keep this in your mind. The best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marian, kaya yan! That's it for today, Mathly buddies. See you on our next math exciting and math amazing activities.